Hello children. Well, today we will continue with real numbers, and there are few problems left in your first exercise in real numbers. We will try to cover them up. Here are a few problems given on the board. Find the value of the following: 64 to the power of 1 by 6. How do you find? See, you should write this 64 can be written as 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6. Now you have a formula for exponents: a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. 6 into 1 by 6, 6 cancel, the answer is 2. Similarly, 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5, 5 cancel, the answer is 2. Now 243 you can write as 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2 by 5. So it is 3 to the power of 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel, it is a 3 square, and 3 square is equal to 9. Now we have to simplify this. We'll go with the next question. It is a 4 6 6 5 6 divided by, we'll try to divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Once again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 5s are 10, 1 carry here, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, right? 2 2s are 4, and then 1 carry, 2 9s are 18. Again you have here 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. I think I can still divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. I think still I can divide by 2. 2 goes how many times? 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18. Now 2 you cannot divide, you have to go with 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are, 1s are, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2 has come, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3 has come. So I will write this as 2 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of 6 whole to the power of minus 1 by 6. Now 2 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of 6 can be written as 2 into 3 whole to the power of 6 whole to the power of minus 1 by 6. 6 and 6 cancel, 2 3s are 6. So you have 6 to the power of minus 1, which can be written as 1 by 6. So the value of this is 1 by 6. In the similar way, I have one more question. Simplify 4th root of 81, 8 into cube root of 343, 15 into 5th root of 32, and square root of 25. 4th root of 81, I am writing straight away. 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4, and nth root of a, you have a formula, a power 1 by n. So 4th root of 81 is 81 power 1 by 4 minus 8 into 343. 343 is nothing but 7 cube. 7 cube whole power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 is nothing but 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 whole power 1 by 5. And square root of 15 is 225 is 15. So 4 and 4 cancel. You are left with 3. 3 and 3 cancel. You have 8 into 7, which is 56. 5 and 5 cancel. 15 into 2 is 30 plus 15. Right. So now you have 30 plus 15, which is equal to 45. 45 plus 3, which is equal to 48. So it is 48 minus 56 is equal to minus 8. So I am sure you are able to follow this simplification. Now you have to find the value of next question. See, when I am doing, you can pause the video and you can copy this, right? So we will go for the next question. Find the value of 10 root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. You have to simplify, where root 2 is given as this and root 5 is given as this, and I have to simplify for 3 decimal places. So now I will say, consider root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. What will I do? Now I will first rationalize the denominator. I will rationalize the denominator means I will multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2. When I multiply by root 2, what am I going to get? It will be root of 10 into root of 2 minus root of 5 into root of 2 by, what is root 2 into root 2? 2. So it is 2 into 2 is left over. Now root of 10 can be written as root of 5 into 2 into root 2 minus root of 5 into root 2 by 2 2s are 4. Alright, now you can, I am sure you have copied this. We will simplify the remaining part of the problem, this part of the board. Alright, so what do you have? Root of 5 into 2 is root 5 into root 2 into root 2 minus root 5 into root 2 by what do you have? By 4. Now what is going to happen? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 2 root 5 minus root 5 into root 2 by 4. I think I can take root 5 common. When I take root 5 common, it is 2 minus root 2 by 4. Now this is a simple way you can do it. Now root 5, I will keep like this only. 2 minus, what is square root of 2 value given to you? 1.414. It is 1.414 divided by 4. Now 2, you have to subtract 1.414. Now when you do the subtraction, you have 6 here, you have 8 here, you have 5 here, and the result is root 5 into 0.586 divided by 4. Now meanwhile I can divide this by 4. 4 goes 1s are, 4 1s are 4, and 1 carry here. 4 4s are, no, you can't divide by 4, so we will keep it that way only. Later on we will go with division. 0.586, at the end we will divide by 4. Alright. Now meanwhile, what is the square root of 5 value? 2.236, right? So now I have to multiply this entire stuff. Alright. So 2.236 I have to multiply with what? 0.586. 586. I will forget the point, I will leave it like that. Now I will multiply. Now see what happens. 6 6 are 36, 6, 3 carry, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 1, 2 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. Now again I multiply with 8, 8 6 are 48, 8, 4 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 28, 8, 2 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18, 8, 1 carry, 8 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 and 1 here. Now I multiply with 5, 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 8, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 11. So you have 6 here, 8 plus 1, you have 9 here. Now 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 carry, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 0, 2 carry. Be careful with the addition here. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, again this 2, again this 1. So you are left with this result. What is the result? 1,250,296 divided by 4. Now don't forget to involve this point as well. See my children, if it is 2 into 0.5, 2 into 0.5, the value of the 2 will be less than 2. So when you are multiplying this into this, you have 3 digits, you have 3 digits, so altogether you have to take 6 digits towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the final result is 1.250296. Meanwhile I will divide with 2. 2 2s are 2 goes 0.6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, followed by 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 8s are 16. Again I will divide by 2, 2 1s are 2. So it is 0 point, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 here, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8. So the value of that 0.312574, you can round it up to 0.312 because the answer asks up to 3 decimals only. So you can leave the answer till here. So this is the way you do it. You simplify using rationalizing. Once you rationalize, you substitute the values. Now we will try to take one more simple question based on the square root, and we'll try to close this topic. Alright, yesterday I have told you find the square root of, we'll try to take one more problem. Find the square root of 4 minus 2 root 3. How do you find the square root of 4 minus 2 root 3? Very simple. 4 minus 2 root 3. Now you need to write the factors for 3. The factors for 3 are 3 into 1. Now that 3 into 1 can be written as root 3 into root of 1. Does it make any difference? 3 into 1 is 3. And because I got 3 and 1, I will write 4 as 3 plus 1. Alright, now I will write 3 as root 3 whole square. I will write 1 as 1 square, and this is 2 into root 3 into root 1. Everything under the root. Now it is just like a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is a minus b whole square followed by square root. Now square and root will get cancelled. The result is root 3 minus root 1. I am sure you have practiced these problems at home. So this is how the problems are done in this particular exercise. In the next exercise, in fact, we are going to start a new chapter. In the chapter called as polynomials, we will try to see what a polynomial is, what a degree of a polynomial is, what a zero of a polynomial is, right? So please practice these questions, and in the next class we'll try to cover polynomials. Meanwhile, you have got any doubts, you can WhatsApp in our WhatsApp group and get your doubts clarified. Thank you, bye-bye.